Let us create the ultimate casino class playlist together. We'll start with a base layer of songs that you probably already know, especially if you have a good teacher. I just taught in Atlanta with a bunch of renowned instructors, heard the same 3 songs all Saturday morning. Here's one. Definitely can't forget this guy. And last but not least, the song you may be guaranteed to hear in any class, wherever you are. So we'll start with those and add from there. Criteria being songs that are at a danceable tempo, but still have a good energy. You might be watching this like,
I knew all those songs.
Well, here's something maybe you didn't know. The group responsible for that last one is going to be playing in beautiful Asheville, North Carolina this Memorial Day weekend. If you're a fan of Cuban music and dance anywhere in the Southeast and you haven't seen Timbalive play, this is your chance. As part of the weekend, Clara and I will be teaching workshops in Afro, Son, Rueda. Paul from DC Casineros is going to be hosting an hour dedicated to having groups exchange Rueda moves with one another. Multiple socials, we're going to be in the woods doing a bunch of Asheville shit. I can promise you it's going to be a good time. Please share this information around. Timbalive is going to be in the mountains of North Carolina. Something's happening. We would, of course, love to have your physical presence as well. And in the time between now and then, let's build that playlist. Spam it with Timbalive.